in an atmosphere to match. We may well see a high-octane contest where both alternative, which is a potential game of chess. Nobody wants that. It deserves much more.
Just joining us, we are already underway. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Yeah, Rafael Varane. He's solid in the air, Peter, he's tough in the tackle, and a very good reader of the game. Most of all, though, if something goes wrong when the opposition break through, he's got the pace to get back and make a vital intervention.
Yeah, I must agree, especially in view of his ability to lead and organise the defence. Looking to break out here. Just brushed off the ball there. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Forward it goes. Bernardo Silva. Bernardo Silva. Well positioned to make that interception. Masuaku drives it forward. He gets past his man. Lanzini. Lanzini! And it's Sané. Still goalless at the moment. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. It's being played forward. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Gabriel Jesus has a pop! It's broken loose. Well, that is asking for trouble. Lofted into the middle. Defending of the desperate variety. Varane gets into the right position to intercept. Rafael Varane. Mondi. Sané.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. And it's Antonio. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Rafael Varane. Sané. Sané goes looking. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Keeper's got good distance on that. Gabriel Jesus. Sané. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Up towards the front line. Oh, they could break here. It's a loose ball. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. He's had a go! Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Rafael Varane. Mondi. Good spell of possession this, but very little to show for it. Bernardo Silva. Great challenge, time to perfection. And now they can launch a counter. He goes long. Nicely measured pass. The semi-final reaches halfway. So now the team has broken through. That's something they wanted trying. Interesting game up to now, but still goalless. An engrossing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0. The action has already resumed here.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and produce something a little more magical.
Rice. Played in with accuracy. Rafael Varane. Mondi. Kimmich. Rafael Varane. Mondi. Sané. Breaks on here. Rice. Played out to the right. And it's got through. Right, Antonio. Swung over into the middle. Hits one! Yes, it's in! That was a given. It always was.
Well, to his credit, he managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but the failure to spot him was ghastly defence.
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead. Gabriel Jesus, more than happy to take the muscular approach. Gabriel Jesus showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Now can he finish? Pumps it into the area. And he just whacks it away. In once more. Great leap! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Gabriel Jesus really showed that he wanted it more than anyone else, but maybe heading requires extra practice.
Down by a lack of accuracy. And here's Sané. He's through the middle. Diop can hoist it clear. Well, it's gone out again, and so we'll have a repeat corner.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Well, this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Spot on, Peter.
And it's Lanzini. Varane battles to win it back. Tries to get it forward quickly. Sané. And it's Sané. Here it is now, surely! Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not interested. Lanzini. It's got through to him. Lanzini needed to come up with a better ball.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Bernardo Silva. It's come loose. Sané. And Sané! Should have equalised.
I think he rushed that. He had a bit more time than he realised. He could so easily have equalised there.
Lanzini. here's the chance to counter. Gabriel Jesus. He's gone for it! And the ball's come out. Defending of the desperate variety.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
He's gone for it! There's a goal! Right back in it! Almost no time remaining. Game still on.
And as soon as they made that error in midfield, they didn't have time to react before the ball hit the net. Very much a lesson learned.
There's going to be another change here.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, without doubt, that's given the coach food for thought. Does he settle for extra time or try to go for a winner before then? Decision time. Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
He's found his man. Shapes to shoot! Oh, what about that? And that has raised the roof! What about that, Jim Beglin?
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final ball was. It took the defence out of the equation for that split moment, and the damage was all done.
Weston making another change here.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
Having turned the game on its head, now can they hold out?
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two, yeah.
There's a long ball. That'll be a corner.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Hoists it forward. Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus! And it's played forward. Diop gets into a dangerous position. He's through. Has a pop! Oh, that's a fine save!
Oh, that's a spot.
And that's that. They have made it, and they've deserved to make it. A fabulous cup run has gone all the way to the final day. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Well, to go this far, it has to be on merit, with substance. And this is more evidence of worthy contesters.